Genesis 1:4 and 5. Notice, in these two verses, we see light is being called day, and darkness is called night. So, what is up with that? Explaining the Scriptures. If we read my explanation of Genesis 1:3, 4 and 5, we should know that this light, in Genesis 1:4 and 5, is understanding. Therefore, having this understanding, that comes from the Most High, is like walking in daylight, where we would not stumble in our lives. When walking in darkness, or at night time, we may be unaware of stumbling blocks in our path, that we cannot see, or understand. Conversely, when walking in daylight, that is, the understanding of the Most High, we will then be aware of stumbling blocks in our path, not to fall by them. In other words, the light, that is the understanding of Genesis 1:3, is an understanding that is like walking in daylight. To confirm this, notice what Isaiah 8:20 states. Isaiah 8:20, to the Torah, and to the witness. If they do not speak, according to this word, it is because they have no light. Other translations use the word, daybreak, instead of light. Either way, it is to say, there is no understanding in them, they are in darkness. In Isaiah 8:20, the Hebrew word used regarding light, or daybreak, is shachara. Shachara is defined as light, dawn, day, dayspring, early, and morning. So again, light, that is to say understanding, is being called day. Day represents being able to see what is before us, as in walking about in daylight. And the darkness, that is being called night, this is the walking about with no understanding, that will bring stumbling in our lives. Also notice in Genesis 1:5, that before evening, on the first day, light was called day, and the darkness was called night. This understanding was given, or created on the first day. The sun, moon, and stars were created on the fourth day. Hallelujah. But in Hebrew, Hallelujah. Praise Yah. Please add comments regarding the subject of this explanation. Also, please subscribe to this channel to be notified of many other explanations explaining the Scriptures. Thank you for your time. Shalom always.